Question number 1. Which hormone is primarily responsible for ovulation? The correct option is option C. Luteinizing hormone, responsible for ovulation. Luteinizing hormone surge triggers to ovulation. Question number 2. Where does fertilization usually occurs? The fertilization usually occur in option D. Fallopian tube. In the fallopian tube, especially in the ampulla region. Question number 3. Which part of the sperm contains enzyme to penetrate the eggs? The correct option is option B. Acrosome. Acrosome contains enzyme like hyaluronidase. Question number 4. What is the function of Sertoli cells? The correct option is option C. Nutrition to sperm. Sertoli cells support and nourish developing spermatogenic cells. Question number 5. Which layer of the uterus sheds during menstruation? The correct option is option B. Endometrium. Functional layer is shed during menstruation, which is endometrium. Question number 6. Which gland secrete fructose into semen? The correct option is option D. Seminal vesicle. Fructose provides energy to sperm. Question number 7. The male accessory ducts include all except. The correct option is option D. Ureter. Ureter is not a part of the accessory ducts. Ureter is a part of urinary system. Question number 8. Which hormone is secreted by the placenta? The correct option is option C. SCG. SCG supports corpus luteum during early pregnancy. Question number 9. Menstrual cycle in a human female is regulated by. The correct option is option B. Gonadotropins. Follicle stimulating hormone and luteinizing hormone regulates the cycle, which is a gonadotropins. Question number 10. Corpus luteum is formed from. The correct option is option D. Empty Graafian follicle. After ovulation, the follicle becomes corpus luteum. Question number 11. Number of chromosomes in a human gamete is. The correct option is option C. 23. Gametes are haploid in number, so containing 23 chromosomes. Question number 12. The hormone responsible for milk ejection is. Milk ejection. The correct option is option C. Oxytocin. Oxytocin causes contraction of the mammary ducts. Question number 13. Prostate gland secretes fluid that is. The correct option is option B. Alkaline. Neutralize acidic environment of the vagina. Question number 14. Site of implantation of zygote is. The zygote implantation site where? The correct option is option C, endometrium of the uterus. Uterus को endometrium. Embryo implants in the thickened endometrium. Question number 15. Which hormone maintains corpus luteum in early pregnancy? The correct option is option C, SCG, which is secreted by the trophoblast to maintain corpus luteum. Function of testis is to. The correct option is option C, produce sperm and estrogen is the function of testis. Question number 17. The first menstrual flow is called. The first menstrual flow is called what? The correct option is option B, menarche. The first menstrual flow is called menarche and the last menstrual flow is called menopause, where the menstruation stops. Question number 18. Male sex hormone is produced by. The correct option is option C, Leydig cells. Leydig cells produce testosterone, which is a male sex hormone. Question number 19. What ensures only one sperm fertilized an ovum? The correct option is option A, Jonah reaction. Jonah reactions blocks polyspermy. Either that to prevent more than one sperm in the ovum. Question number 20. A surge in which hormone leads to ovulation? Ovulation. Surge. Correct option is option B, luteinizing hormone, surge in which hormones leads to ovulation. Question number 21. Umbilical cord connects. The correct option is option C, fetus to placenta. Question number 22. Capacitation occurs in. The correct option is option D, female reproductive tract. Question number 23. Which part of the sperm provides energy for movement? The correct option is option D, middle piece, which contain mitochondria, which provides energy for movement. Question number 24. Vasectomy involves cutting off. The correct option is option B, vas deferens. Question number 25. Mammary glands are modified. The correct option is option A, sweat glands. Question number 26. Spermatogenesis is controlled by. The correct option is option B, follicle stimulating hormone and luteinizing hormone control spermatogenesis. Question number 27. Oogenesis is completed only after. The correct option is option C, fertilization. Question number 28. The placenta is formed by. The correct option is option C, chorion and endometrium. Question number 29. Gestation period in humans is approximately. The correct option is option C, 280 days. Question number 30. A chromosome is derived from. The correct option is option B, Golgi apparatus. Question number 31. Which hormone prepares the uterus for implantation? The correct option is option C, progesterone. Hormones prepare the uterus for implantation. 32. Menopause occurs due to decreased. Correct option is option A, estrogen. 33. Ejaculation is controlled by. Correct option is option A, sympathetic nervous system controls ejaculation. Question number 34. Which is a surgical method of contraception in female? The correct option is option B. Tubectomy is a surgical method of contraception in females, and vasectomy is a surgical method of contraception in males. Question number 35. Primary sex organs in males. The correct option is option B. Testis is a primary sex organ in males. Question number 36. Which hormone initiates spermatogenesis? The correct option is option B. Follicle stimulating hormone initiates spermatogenesis, and luteinizing hormone initiates ovulation. Question number 37. The stage of embryo that implants in uterus. Correct option is option C. Blastocyst. Question number 38. Semen is a mixture of secretion from all except. The correct option is option D. Adrenal glands. Question number 39. Which layer surrounds the secondary oocyte? The correct option is option C. Both A and B. Both zona pellucida and corona radiata. Both surrounds the secondary oocytes. Question number 14. Implantation occurs how many days after fertilization? The correct option is option C. Usually 6 to 7 days. Question number 41. Which cells in testis secrete testosterone? Correct option is option B. Leydig cells secrete testosterone. Question number 42. Which part of the male reproductive system stores sperm? The correct option is option C. Epididymis stores sperm. Question number 43. Which hormone promotes development of the secondary sexual character in females? The correct option is option C. Estrogen. Question number 44. Cleavage in human embryo is. The correct option is option B. Holoblastic. Question number 45. At birth, which stage is the female oocyte in? The correct option is option A. Primary oocyte. Question number 46. Sperm reaches fallopian tube in how much time? The correct option is option B. 30 minutes. Question number 47. Androgens are secreted by. The correct option is option C. Leydig cells. Question number 48. The female equivalent of penis is. Correct option is option A. Clitoris. Question number 49. The role of amniotic fluid is to. Correct option is option C. Protect the fetus. Question number 15. Which process occurs in seminiferous tubules? The correct option is option A. Spermatogenesis occurs in seminiferous tubules.